This is my TARRAN T1 Pro, and I've been riding it for over 3 months and it's been great so far. But with all its advanced features, I wonder how easy it is to maintain. So what I'm gonna do today is mock up some problems, contact their service team and, see how everything goes. So let's see what I've done here, because I've been a little bit bad. So I've disconnected a few things. As you can see, these are the codes, and selfie camera disconnected, rear camera disconnected, the left landing gear, right landing gear, angle sensor, battery box lock, and the radar. But let me explain this very quickly. For those of you who are new to the TARRAN bike, this is their OBD system. Which means that when you power on the bike, the system automatically runs a full diagnostic check. If something isn't right, a small triangle appears on the display, like this one. And the OBD feature can monitor both hardware and software, and for the hardware, key components such as the control hub, the battery, wireless phone charging holder, landing gears, battery box lock, radar, and all the electronics connected to the central display, including cameras, Wi-Fi module, and Bluetooth module. And for the software, the firmware versions of these components, ensuring everything is up to date and working properly. And usually I just get simple alerts like the box cargo lid not being closed, and that's an easy fix. But this time I wanted to make it a little bit more complicated. So let's reach out to TARRAN service and see what they got. Okay, I got the reply. They responded quite quickly and shared some steps to fix the issue. Let me show you the email. So the error codes mentioned indicate possible disconnections. Yeah, we know that. Power off the bike, open the battery box, use your NFC card to power the bike off and back on, and check whether the camera's radar and angle indicator function normally after restarting. Yeah, we know this is not gonna work, but they don't know yet. If possible, please take a short video of the controller area. So after several emails and after trying the first suggested solutions, the problem is still here. But with the videos I sent them, they managed to help me locate the possible problem and will send me a replacement part. All I have to do now is wait for the repair part and fix it. Well guys, since the replacement parts arrived so quickly, I'm just gonna set up the camera right here, dismount everything and build it in and see if it works. I'm gonna follow their tutorial videos and let's see what happens. This is the new controller that I got, and what I really like is, first of all the cables are classified with different colors, which makes it very convenient when you have to plug them, because you just have to follow the colors. And if that's not enough, let me see if I can show you. Each cable, as you can see here, for example, ambient light, this one goes to USB, has its own name, which means that you know what you're connecting and what you're disconnecting. So this is super convenient and very well thought actually. And guys, they honestly made it so easy that they even sent me those tutorial videos, which are pretty nice, and you can see and follow all along. Well, now the first thing will be take the lid off and replace what's underneath there, which is the controller. See, there you got it. So we gotta disconnect that and then put the new one. So now that I disconnected the old controller, what I'm gonna do is connect the new controller down there and see if the magic happens. So let's now see if the magic happened. I just turned the bike on and yes, that's wonderful, no more warning triangles. What a nice feeling. And after following TARRAN's emails and tutorials, replacing everything and connecting the new controller, it seems to be solved now. And the OBD system just confirmed that all the sensors were connected normally and working well. Let's talk about my feedback and experience. So at first I was quite worried about whether the maintenance of the T1 Pro would be hard, because after all it has so much technology in it, right? But after this the overall experience was good, and I'm pleased with the service and how every step was simple and really clear. The OBD system keeps monitoring my T1 Pro situation every time it's turned on, so I know that if something happens it gives me clear fault codes and really easy instructions to follow. The support process was smooth and fast. Each email was replied within 1 business day, and with the team's check, The repair was under the 2-year warranty, so I didn't spend anything. It's a high-tech bike, but the maintenance experience feels simple and transparent. I hope you enjoyed the video, and now let's go and ride.